Perspective is the key to almost any drawing or sketch, as well as many paintings. It is one of the fundamentals you need to understand in order to create realistic and believable scenes. I am Noor. I'm an architect and illustrator with a passion for sketching and architectural visualization. I create online content. I have multiple courses with more than 5,000 students and a lot of free resources about both analog and digital illustration on my website. In this course, I'm going to explain the basic rules of three-point perspective, and you will have access to a lot of step-by-step easy and a little more advanced examples. And the best part is that you can download the free PDF files in the resources of all the videos to try what you will learn by yourself. I highly recommend you to check out my 1-point and 2-point perspective courses before taking this one.